Hello everyone. So first of all, this is Vishnu Solanka. So you can say as an associate Java developer and also you can say software engineer, senior software engineer. So welcome to my channel. So in this video, so I'm going to explain the complete Java syllabus and more important highlighting the Java skill. So Java is still just a minute. I'm switch on the light. Now I will start. Okay. So why learning Java? So Java is still must in today's world. So today's software industry. So basically, if you are a student, if you are a fresher, some working professional are there, and planning to career in backend development. So in backend development, so microservice architecture are there and enterprise applications are there, and so in this video, for you. So basically, why Java? So any aspirant and any working professional, fresher, students. So this is the career planning. So in backend development and in microservice architecture for the enterprise applications. Yeah. So Java is not just a programming language, guys. So it's a industry standard basically. So some students and some working professionals and freshers are already knowing the what is the Java and what is the programming language. So most enterprise level applications and banking systems and e-commerce platform as well as backend services and backend services are built using the Java. So some companies like MNC like Amazon, Flipkart, Google, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, so Cognizant, Capgemini, so like that persistent. So these are the many startup. These are the many MNCs and some startup really heavily use Java-based systems. There is some Java-based productive generated data type of productive enterprise applications are there. So for this enterprise application purpose, we use Java language. Java it is a programming language. So if you want stability, job stability, basic concerns. So Java. So if you want the stability and long-term career growth and what is the strong backend knowledge, so Java is on we can say the non-negotiable. So basically, so if you want stability, job stability in long-term career growth and strong backend knowledge, and Java is non-negotiable. So but here is the Java syllabus overview basically. So what is the foundation of this most important of the Java syllabus? So basically there is a core Java. So this is where every Java developer starts the topics basically from the basic variables are there, and there is the data types, there is the operators, there is the control statements. So like if else statement are there, switch statements are there, and looping statements. So in industrial area, so most of the conditional test statements and control statements are we can say the foundational most important topics are there. So from the scratch, so every Java developer start should be the variables and data types and operators and control statements, conditional statements. After that they will start with the hoops basically. So hoops concept. So there is the class. What is the class? What is the object? So both are there, class and object. What is the contribution of the class and objects? And after that we can say there is the inheritance. What type of inheritance work on there? And after that there is the polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. So why it is important? Basic questions. So some freshers and students and working professional know things. Why important basic hoops concept are there? Because there is the frameworks. Because the Spring Boot framework, there is the ORM tools, there is the Hibernate, microservices, everything is built on core Java, basic. So everything for the enterprise applications. So exception handling and collections. So you cannot build the real world applications without this exception handling and collection part. So exception handling, there is the try catch, there is the custom global exception are there, and in collection framework there is the list type of list, there is the set, there is the map, there is the array list like hash map, linked list. So whatever in collection framework, so it is the most important. So we cannot build the real world application without this. So but most of the use API responses and data operations, some business logic processes is there, and right now in industrial area, so mandatory skill we can say there is a Java 8 feature. So it is a version, it is a Java 8 version, it is a stable version, so like LTS version, so long term supported version. So first of all Java 8 version, after that Java 11 version, after that Java 17, and after that the Java 21 version. Right now launched Java 25 LTS version. So modern Java development starts are the from the Java 8 features like this lambda expressions, stream APIs, functional interfaces, and optional class. So it helps you write the clean code and less the boilerplate code and high performance logics by using the Java 8 features. So in industry mandatory skills are the Java 8, and multi-threading and concurrency part most for the performance and scalability purpose we use thread synchronization like executor framework. So in this performance scalability, so high load applications, backend jobs, and there is the microservices. So after that, JDBC and database connectivity. So Java without database is incomplete. We can say without the database, Java is incomplete mode. So JDBC is the Java database connectivity, and database connectivity, JDBC basics and MySQL connections and CRUD operations for performing this bridge between the Java and real world data. We can say basic line. This is the bridge. JDBC, it means JDBC and database connectivity. This is the bridge of this Java and real time data connectivity. So between the Java and real time data. So framework regarding the once you foundation the strong, so frameworks become the easy. So like framework we can say it is a Spring framework. Spring, after that there is an extension of this Spring. So Spring Boot, it means Spring Boot are there. So after that ORM tools like object relational mapping, Hibernate, and data GPA, Spring data GPA, and RESTful web services. This is where real jobs start. So frameworks after the core Java, we will, once your foundation is strong, so frameworks become the easy. And frameworks, so you know Spring, Spring Boot, and Hibernate, Spring data GPA, the RESTful web services. This is the real job start. So some students and some freshers don't know, so they start the foundational. You know only core Java, so you know data types, and you know the what is the inheritance, what is the hooks, what is the class, what is the object, what is the operators and variables, like that. What is the if-else condition, nested loop, nested if-else condition, switch, polymorphism, encapsulation, like that. This is the core, this is the foundation. So this is the core Java foundation. It is the most important. But why it is important? Because this Spring Boot and Hibernate, microservices, everything is built on core Java. So I think got it. So now it is a framework reading after the core Java. So we use the Spring Boot and Spring data GPA, like that. But it is the most important questions raising the why you must learn Java in this order. So many people jump. It means many people jump directly to the Spring Boot, and it means the fail interviews. Why? Because they skip core Java. If your core Java is strong, so you debug faster, you crack the interviews, you understand framework deeply. So Java is not hard. It means learning it in the right order marks. When you learn in right way, it means order format. So it will make the all differences. It means the right order makes all the difference. From the if you check the you can must learn the Java order wise. So many people directly skip this core part, and many people jump directly Spring Boot and fail the interviews, and they raising the skippable part in core Java. If your core Java is strong, so it will make the better difference. So what is the channel which it means what is this channel I will teach you. So on this channel, so I will cover core Java from the basic to advanced, and interview focused explanation, and the most Spring Boot and REST APIs, and real project examples, career guidance for the Java developers. Everything explained in a simple and practical way, basically. So now if any doubt, if any query, so whatever you raise there, so please comment. Are you a student, are you a fresher, or working professional? Let's start with the Java journey together. You know, this is my first video, and this is my explanation regarding the Java syllabus, and why we learn Java, and why we learn everything explaining the simple order format. So you know, by the way, all audience, and why we learn Java, not just programming. So it is required for the backend enterprise application purpose. So whatever. So from the scratch, we will go with our channel and cover with all basic part. So since audience technical, students, fresher, junior developers, so yeah, it is a clear, confident, and valuable. Yeah, thanks for watching this. If you suggest for our next video, so let me start with our application, and like that type of explanation and that type of practical, and so how to understand the knowledgeable part, how to understand our technically grow our technical terms, like that. Thanks guys, once again, thank you so much.